Guys, my name is David Lievanos.
Hey guys, it's Grbl
Tutorial on how to build a system with the same principles of a CNC drawing machine. And here are the materials required. Okay, so here are all the materials required. This is the base we're going to be using for the motors. This is the Etch a Sketch. This is the knob holder which goes in here. Here we have the NEMA motors, and for this one you're going to need a AC to DC adapter. Here we have the stepper motor driver, the breadboard, the Arduino, and your laptop.
Now we're gonna pause the video for a moment and I'll get back to you when everything...
Hello guys, we're back, and as you can see we have a functional system going on, and Dorb is going to demonstrate how the two knobs are turning. For you to be able to accomplish that, you must follow a couple of steps. You have to install the Grbl library into the Arduino IDE, and also install the universal G-code sender, which you can find in the description of our video. Hey guys, just before we get on with the video, I just wanted to give you guys a word of caution, just to make sure that you regulate the current going through the stepper motor driver, because they're susceptible to thermal failure, and if it's high enough, like, you could damage your motor as well. So just refer back to your data sheet of the particular stepper driver that you bought and make sure you regulate that. So here is the schematic for project 1. The only thing that you're gonna do different for the second driver is the direction pin is gonna be connected to pin 5, and the step pin is gonna be connected to pin 2.
Now we're gonna show a brief demonstration of 3 basic objects. So guys, this is a line of length 10 centimeter and at 60-degree angle. As you can see guys, this is a basic rectangle of length 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter width.
And this is a circle of radius 5. Just keep in mind that this isn't a very precise equipment, so you may not get a perfect circle. So we're now going to take this to the next step. We're going to use a CAD program, and we're going to write our names on the Etch a Sketch.
For our next design, we're gonna use Fusion 360 to draw the image, which you can see in the monitor. Make sure to go into the cam in 360 to make a drawing, and also make sure to scale it properly, because the scaling of this Fusion 360 and Etch a Sketch is different. Here's the G-code extracted from Fusion 360 of that image. So make sure everything is right, and don't forget to delete the last 3 lines of the G-code, because it's gonna go back to the same position and make difference.
As you can see, you now have the possibility to do anything you want. This is a very basic tutorial, so we will not do anything further, but you can now upload or extract a G-code from any image you want and get it drawn here if you want. Hello guys, we're back. Hopefully you got your system working. So now we're gonna go ahead and do the second project, which is a master follower. It's pretty much the same system, but we're gonna use a rotary encoder to control our motors. And here's a list of required materials to make this project work. So here we went ahead and connected everything. We have the same setup here for the Etch-a-Sketch and the motors. But here is the rotary encoder. Unfortunately, we don't have two Etch-a-Sketches, so we're just gonna go ahead and show you that the encoders work. Here we have the separate motor drivers, the Arduinos. We have two rotary encoders, and the rest is in. So now Grbl is going to give you guys a brief demonstration of how the master follower system works. See, if you have the encoder, you keep moving to the right. The left encoder is controlling the x-axis, and the right encoder is controlling the y-axis. And if you had a second Etch-a-Sketch and another system connected, you will be able to recreate the same picture in the other Etch-a-Sketch as you have here.